I give the best of the best because I utilize the best of the best of the best ceramic materials. And that's why I think when people come to me, they're ready to start their treatment because of the simple fact that I put my heart and soul into it, but I also know all of the things that I'm utilizing, the people that are surrounding me are the best of the best.
Something that I feel like a lot of people don't know, and I've seen that you've kind of dabbled in it in a couple of your posts, is a lot of people don't know that when they come, there's basically no one else in the spa except your staff.
Sure.
There's like a spa-like atmosphere, the music is playing, sometimes you might have some chocolates, some goodies.
Yeah.
Kind of dive into a little bit more about that.
So we like to have the exclusive experience. I know a lot of dentists, a lot of dental offices have the idea that, you know, the higher the numbers, the more you make money and things like that. But that's really not true. For us, when the patient is there, especially during their treatment, sometimes, you know, we have like, you know, quick post-op checks and things like that. But during your experience of your preparation and delivery, you are the only one in there. I am not tending to other patients. I'm not tending to other things. I have a team that is in place that takes care of everything else so I can take care of the clinicals. So that is that exclusive feeling. Patients feel so comfortable knowing that they've spent, you know, a good amount of their investment money, investing their time, and then they come and see us and they get my undivided attention.
What do you feel like you did in your business that really attracted people to come from all over to start coming to Lux Dental?
First and foremost, the skill set of, you know, my clinical skills. My minimal, no prep, conservative dental approach. You can have a beautiful smile, you can have the smile of your dreams without walking around with shark teeth. You know, yeah. And then authenticity. People can feel when you're authentic. You know, I'm not the type of person that's like this or that, goodbye. I am very understanding of my patient's time, circumstances, financials, XYZ. So people feel that authenticity and they can really tell that I get so much satisfaction in giving them a smile that they can walk around and exude that confidence.
I love that.
So yeah, so definitely I think people can tell. They can tell through social media, through conversations with me personally. So yeah.
Going back to childhood,
Okay.
I'm very, very curious about this.
Okay.
Did you play any sports?
Okay, I was always super athletic, but you know, I grew up in a household where it wasn't like, things weren't always like ideal as far as like going to like events and like sports things and things. I did do ballet for a number of years, and then in high school for a short time I ran track, but I've always been like super athletic, like I work out and things like that. But my goals as a child was just to be so focused on like my schoolwork, so that I could like really shape and have like control of my future.
You're one of the top dentists, cosmetic dentists, not only in LA and in OC, but also in the country.
Thank you.
How do you feel like, and humbly, of course, how do you feel like you fall in those markets, which are not only two of the most competitive dental cosmetic markets in the country, they're two of the most competitive markets in the world?
Humbly, you know, I've paid my dues. You know, when I first started doing dentistry 12, 13 years ago, I worked under numerous dentists that I didn't know what I was doing. I was right out of school, but I was a good student. I was coachable. I paid my dues, and even when I opened my practice, there were hiccups, ups and downs. It was, you know, as with anything in life, but you learn along the way. And I give the best of the best because I utilize the best of the best of the best ceramics, the best of the best team, materials. I do not shortchange things like that. I don't go cheap on that. I mean, I've never gone cheap on that. Marketing, you name it. And that's why I think when people come to me, they're super comfortable and they're ready to start their treatment because of the simple fact that I put my heart and soul into it, but I also know all of the things that I'm utilizing, the people that are surrounding me are the best of the best.
Wow.